Alright, so what's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. As you can see here, I got a package from Lasfit lighting to go in that beautiful thing over there. These are actually fog lights because I was rolling around with some buddies last week and there was a giant rainstorm and I went through a puddle and the water decided it wanted to take my fog light. So I'm gonna be trying these out on it and see how it does. Okay, so I have a box here. Go ahead, open that up. Elite Club, product manual, and we have the lights. I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed on the truck and I'll come back. Okay guys, so we are back. I did get the lights installed. It is kind of the next day, but it's around the same time as when I left off yesterday. So I have ridden around with them already, and I do gotta say they are pretty bright. This is kind of the darkest area that I could find at the moment. So yeah, let me go ahead and turn on the lights for you. Just gonna come in here. As you can see, it's like a big difference. Yeah, it lights up a lot more of the field. And I want to show you from the inside because some of you guys may know that I have a tinted windshield. And I know tinted windshields are kind of the thing, like, can you see inside? So wait for this light to go on. So that's regular headlights, and that's with fog lights. Regular headlights, fog lights. You can see, very easy to see with a tinted windshield. Now mind you, I only have a 50% tint. I know some people do like 35 and 20%, which I don't really want to go that dark. So 50% is privacy enough, but yeah. Once again, these are Lasfit fog lights. If you have 07 to 13, it's going to be a 5202 bulb. They are plug and play, no wiring needed. Just plug it into your socket and plug it into the electrical connector and you'll be good. So let me know what you guys think. Hopefully if you're thinking about getting some, this persuades you. And yeah, until next time.